A lot of music producers and artists have forgotten about these auto-tunes. I mean the old version auto-tunes. Why are they moving to the new version of auto-tune? So in today's video, I'm going to record with auto-tune 7 and we're going to compare that to auto-tune artists. And right after this, you will know why most artists and producers are now moving to the latest version of auto-tune. And the question is, should you also upgrade to the latest version of auto-tunes or stick to the old versions of auto-tune? Let's do this right after the intro. Alright, if you are new here, the name is Godsai, still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. I'm recording from Ghana, so let me also know where you are watching this video from. I would be very happy. Don't forget to give this video a like if it helps you, and also turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So guys, without any further ado, let's start with today's video. So first thing first, I'm gonna introduce the instrument. Alright, I mean the beat. I'm gonna drag this. If you're a beginner, don't drop the beat here. All you need to do is to drop it on this track, alright, any of this track. So I'm gonna select track 1 and drop it there, and this is gonna come out with audio tracks. Alright, so click audio tracks like this. If you do this is gonna set your tempo for you and also route it to the mixer track as I showed you. So now guys, we're gonna change from pattern to song. Alright, and how do you record our vocals? All you need to do is to first choose our audio interface. So go to audio settings, then you have to select your audio interface or the sound card. If you are using Focusrite, Scarlett, M-Audio, you have to select that. Alright, make sure your input is your audio interface. Alright, so select that. Then with the buffer length, anytime you want to record, make sure you choose low buffer length. The larger the buffer length, the more processing power you're gonna have to process data, but the more latency you're gonna experience when recording vocals. Alright, so when it comes to recording, we want to select the least buffer length so that we will get less latency. Alright, so make sure you choose that. Next thing you want to do is to right click on any of these tracks, then go to track mode, then go to audio track, and I want you to select any of this insert track. Alright, so I'm gonna choose insert channel 3. Alright, so as you can see, this is gonna come out with 3 icons. Audio input source. All you need to do is to click here and select your mic source. If your audio interface has 2 microphone slots, I mean select the one that your microphone is connected. I mean your input type. Alright, so mine is input 2. Alright, so now you can see when I talk, there's a signal coming from here. Next thing we want to do is to click here and make sure it is when armed, and you can turn off this if you don't want to hear yourself. Alright, like this. Have you seen the difference? Super simple. Next we're gonna go to the mixer track, and over here I'm gonna introduce auto-tune 7. So we're gonna record with this auto-tune. Simple like this. Let's turn on this. Alright, so now you can see. So we're gonna set the key to E minor. Alright, super simple like this. Push the routine speed a little bit up, give it a little bit humanized. If you don't know how to use auto-tune, then watch the video that will pop up on the screen. Alright, I have a lot of videos showing you how to use auto-tune. So now let's go and record with this particular auto-tune, which is Auto-Tune EVO. Alright, so we're gonna record, hit everything. Yeah. 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 Money, money, money on my mind. If you know me, money I don't go mind. Yeah, money, money, money on my mind. I don't get time for you, nigga online. Yeah, 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 yeah. Money, 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 money on my mind. I don't get time for you, nigga, apart from money. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Money, money, money on my mind. If no money, bro, I don't get time for that. Yeah, 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 alright. So I'm gonna pause here. Alright, so guys, let me turn off this. So first thing we're gonna do is to reduce the volume of the beat to about negative 7 dB, alright, so that we're gonna hear our vocals well. So just hold this and drag it down like this. So guys, now let's listen. I'm gonna off the metronome. Yeah. 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 Money, money, money on my mind. If you know me, money I don't go mind. Yeah, money, money, money on my mind. I don't get time for you, nigga online. Yeah, 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 yeah. Money, 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 money on my mind. So what I'm gonna do is to give it a little bit reverb, alright, and to do that we're gonna create a channel. Just right click any insert channel here, then we're gonna give it a color, choose this, hit accept. All you need to do is to right click, then we're gonna drag to the right. Alright, so anytime you close this master track, we're still gonna see this. Then I'm gonna introduce reverb, use the Valhalla vintage reverb. Alright, I'm gonna cut off some of the low ends. Then guys, if you don't know how to use reverb, I mean the cheat code, if you're a beginner, then watch the video that will pop up on the screen, or go to my channel and search how to use reverb if you're a beginner. Alright, we're gonna send our vocals to this reverb. All you need to do is to click here, then just click on this icon. Alright, so now listen. Mute the beat for now. So you can hear there are a lot of reverb, so you're gonna control the volume by dragging this knob here. Super simple like this. Yeah. 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 Money, money, money on my mind. If you know me, money I don't go mind. Yeah, money, money, money on my mind. I don't get time for you, nigga online. Yeah, 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 yeah. Money, 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 money on my mind. I don't get time for you, nigga, apart from money. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Money, money, money on my mind. If no money, bro, I don't get time for that. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, alright. So I'm gonna pause here. Alright, so this is Auto-Tune EVO, old version of Auto-Tune. Alright, now let's compare that to the new latest Auto-Tune. Bypass this, then we're gonna introduce Auto-Tune Artist. Alright, so now change it to minor, set the key, change this one to low mill, push the routine speed a little bit up, give it a little bit humanized. If you are new to Auto-Tune, then watch my previous videos and you will know how to use Auto-Tune like the pros. Alright, so now listen to this. Yeah. 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 Money, money, money on my mind. If you know me, money I don't go mind. Yeah, money, money, money on my mind. I don't get time for you, nigga online. Yeah, 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 yeah. Money, 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 money on my mind. I don't don't get time for you, nigga, apart from money. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Money on my mind. If no money, bro, I no get time for that. Yeah, yeah, alright. So why are people moving from the old auto-tunes to the new auto-tunes? One, if you compare these two auto-tunes, I mean the old version of auto-tune and the latest version of auto-tunes, alright, you can hear the old versions are a little bit muddy. They don't sound clean. I want you to listen with a good headset and monitors, and you can actually tell that these latest auto-tunes, I mean auto-tune artists, they sound great and seems to be clean compared to the previous auto-tunes. Alright, another thing is that the latest auto-tunes are easy to grab. I mean, if you compare the interface, you can see that this one is more user friendly. Alright, it comes with the routine speed, the flex tune, the natural vibrator, and the humanized knob. But if you look at this, guys, you can tell there are a lot of knobs here. Alright, so to me, these are the reason why most artists and producers are moving to the latest auto-tune, though they all sound great. But if you are still having this, you can still stick to this or gather some money and go for the latest auto-tunes. Yeah, 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 yeah. Money on my mind. If you know me, money I no good mind. Yeah, money on my mind. I don't get time for you, nigga, I'm lying. Yeah. Money on my mind. I don't get time for you, nigga, apart from money. Yeah, money on my mind. If no money, bro, I no get time for that. Yeah, alright. So I'm gonna pause here. Money on my mind. If you know me, money I no good mind. Yeah, money on my mind. I don't get time for you, nigga, I'm lying. Yeah. Money on my mind. I don't get time for you, nigga, apart from money. Yeah. Money on my mind. If no money, bro, I no get time for that. Yeah, alright. So I'm gonna pause here.